Oh my god. Oh. Liefde. Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! So there's this tattoo that I want for like ever, and I didn't have the courage to actually do it. Now I found a Danish soulmate. We actually look a little bit like each other. You're way much taller than I am.
Like this?
Yeah, I have too much makeup. Anyways, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so we're here now. Ah! Let's go in. Too massive. But I think somewhere around here, right?
Yeah, I think that would look nice. Are you ready?
I hope I'm not gonna faint.
I hope so too. But if you are, I'm gonna film it.
There, but
At least I'm gonna film it if you do.
yeah, that would be epic. Oh, what's up, baby? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? I think if I would be like a Brazilian guy, you would need like a whole machine to shave all day.
Yeah, probably.
This is my model moment, guys.
Work it. You have a thumbnail in there somewhere.
I'm so nervous.
But it looks really nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be fantastic. Liefde.
Such a beautiful word. Like,
It's
it
a very
sounds
soft
beautiful.
word.
Yeah.
I'm smiling, but deep inside I'm like, oh my god, what's happening? I want to go to the mountains this weekend, maybe Dubai or just.
It's really nice. It's nice weather. It's nice and cool.
Yeah, and I hear that it's nice also to just spend a couple of days there. So I want to disconnect, no phone, no laptop, just really breathe and take some time for myself. Maybe recover from the pain. Oh.
Are you okay?
Breathing. Keep breathing.
Oh, that looks so good. You're gonna be so happy with it.
Oh, I'm so happy you're here.
Me too. I like
really
it.
want to have the guts to do this on my own. And you're like a strong person, so it's like good that you're like not like freaking me out.
You're so nice.
What? This is it? Oh my god!
See? It wasn't so bad. And it looks amazing.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's like a natural light.
Oh my god. Guys, I have to say, this is peanuts.
Yeah. Took it like a champ.